Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Stellar. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price of Stellar is now breaking out the resistance zone that starts from 45 cents and goes to 49 cents after the breakout from a down channel. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. Now let's move to the live daily time frame chart, and this was the resistance zone that I was showing you in my previous videos. Now we have broken out the bottom of this resistance zone that was at 45 cents. Now we are reached the top of this resistance zone at 49 cents. You can see that previously this resistance zone has been working as a support zone here. Now after the breakdown, since after 9th of December 2024, for the past several weeks, it was working as a very strong resistance zone. In fact, at this time, it is also working as a resistance zone. And now we are trying to break it out, the top of this resistance zone. And in today's video, we will analyze this resistance zone along with this breakout from this previous down channel. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. And by the way, I have been showing you this wedge for the past 2 years, and I've been telling you that once Stellar will be able to break it out, then we can expect a very massive rally. And now the price line has started that rally, and we are also about to hit the target for the breakout from this channel. And we will also take a look at this very huge ascending triangle that is formed on the monthly time frame chart as well. And I would also like to share with you this long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared almost 2 years ago on the 29th of May 2022 with my members, and I've been sharing with you this move in my different videos as well. That was a very long-term trade signal and trade setup that Stellar formed on the monthly time frame chart. And so far, this signal has produced almost a more than 400% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for ADX, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView's chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 22nd of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the long-term trade setup for Stellar that I've been sharing with you for the past 2 years. And that was a very big and huge harmonic bullish reverse garlic pattern that XLM formed on a monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair. And you can see when I shared this signal at that time, the price was moving at 12.7 cents. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal and read the sell target line. This was almost a more than 400% very massive pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now, let's move to the live chart of XLM, and this is the daily time frame chart, not here. This is the daily one. And here you can see that for the past several days, since after 23rd of November 2024, it was moving inside this down channel. We had a rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, and so many few more rejections here. Then finally, we broke out the resistance of the channel, where the price line was struggling to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 45 cents and goes to 49 cents. Previously, it had been working as a support zone. Now, for the breakdown, since after 9th of December 2024, it is flipped into resistance, and now we are trying to break it out. Right now, we have broken out the bottom of this resistance zone, and at this time, it is trying to break out the top of this resistance zone. If I place an Ichimoku cloud here, then you can see that the price line has also broken out the Ichimoku bullish cloud as well. Let me make it more visible for you. This is the Ichimoku bullish cloud, and now it is also working as a very nice support for the past several days. You can see that the price line was testing this Ichimoku bullish cloud as a support. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel, approximately at 63 cents. And now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this very big and huge falling wedge pattern as well. And the technical target for this breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between 80 cents to $1. Now we are about to hit that target as well. Now let's move to this very, very huge ascending triangle that the price has formed on this monthly time frame chart. And since after the month of July 2017, the price is moving inside this triangle. You can see that we had so many touch points here. Then we had a bounce, rejection, bounce, and now recently the price has once again reached the resistance of this triangle. This time, if the price will be once again rejected, then it can hit the support somewhere here, approximately at 10 cents. And in case of breaking out, it can start a very, very massive and long-term rally. And that can be a quite long-term move because this is a monthly time frame chart. And the technical target, by the way, because this trend line is moving slightly to the downside, not completely horizontal. Therefore, it depends from where it will break it out. For example, if we will have a breakout from here, almost from here, where the candlestick is moving right now, then technical target will be somewhere between $47 to $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.